Hey y'all, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And we are continuing the wine tool series with my next favorite gadget, my aerator. So let me bring this up close. This is the Vinturi Essential Wine Aerator. This one is my favorite. I have another one, but this one's my favorite. So this comes with a base and with the aerator. Now, what's the purpose of the aerator? If you watch the decanter series, go back if you missed that episode. The purpose of the decanter is to expose your wine to oxygen to bring out the notes that the winemaker intended for you to enjoy. Well, the aerator does the same, but just quicker. Also, and with your aerator, you want to use more of your everyday wines. That's best for that one. I really wouldn't use an older wine for my aerator. I would take the decanter route. But for everyday wines, to really improve them so they may brighten up and really drink well, use the decanter. And use the aerator. Use the aerator, not the decanter for your everyday wines. Use the aerator. Now, let me show you how to use this gadget. So this is the Venturi Essential Wine Aerator. It comes with a no-drip stand that's great for presentation to hold your aerator, and also a filter screen to catch any sediment that may be in your wine. The best way to clean this out is with run it through warm water and also wipe down the no-drip stand, because you don't want it to get gunky in there from the liquid that comes out of it. Now, you want to pick your bottle of choice, open it. I do not use this regularly. This is usually off. I just wanted to show you guys what it comes with. And we are going to have our glass of wine, and we are going to hold our aerator. You will see that there are two holes on the side of this. You do not want to have your thumb over that. This is what gives your wine oxygen. So always try to place your fingers in between that area. So we want to put the aerator in the glass, just kind of, not all the way in there, but a good amount. And then we are going to pour and hear this really cool sound to let us know that the wine is being aerated. Love that. So we poured our desired amount. You want to kind of catch some of the drip. Put it back on your stand. And now you have your aerated glass of wine. Now you have a great aerated glass of wine ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget, during the holiday season, this will make a great stocking stuffer. Additionally, you can gift this throughout all the seasons. Until we meet again, drink good, live well.